To grow a snake plant, start by selecting a healthy plant or cutting from an existing one. Choose a well-draining potting mix, ideally a blend designed for succulents or cacti, as this prevents waterlogging, which the plant is highly sensitive to. Pick a pot with drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Place the plant in a location that receives indirect sunlight, as snake plants tolerate low light but thrive with moderate, indirect light. Watering is essential but should be minimal. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common issue with snake plants. During the warmer months, water once every 2 to 3 weeks, and reduce watering in winter, when the plant's growth slows. Fertilize lightly, using a balanced houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength, once a month during the growing season. Avoid fertilizing in winter. Snake plants are adaptable and can grow from both seeds and leaf cuttings. For leaf cuttings, cut a healthy leaf into segments, let the cut ends dry for a day or two, and then place them in moist soil. Roots will develop over a few weeks, and new growth will emerge. Pruning is simple. Remove any damaged or yellow leaves by cutting them at the base. This encourages new growth and keeps the plant looking tidy. Snake plants are resilient but watch for pests such as mealybugs and spider mites, which can be controlled with insecticidal soap or wiping the leaves with a damp cloth. With patience, minimal care, and the right conditions, snake plants will grow steadily, producing tall, upright leaves that can reach several feet in height. Their striking appearance and air-purifying qualities make them a favorite choice for homes and offices, offering both aesthetic appeal and easy maintenance.